Today, I want to share with you a groundbreaking new AI side hustle that's already paid out $78 million to the people who are using it. The best part is that you can get started using this exact same side hustle right now to earn money without spending a penny. You won't have to spend countless hours on the computer either. This also works even if you're not an expert with computers. Why is that, you ask? Because AI is going to do it all for you. This is the ultimate AI side hustle. Make sure you share this video with someone you think this will help and drop a comment letting me know you did. And I'm going to send you some seriously awesome bonuses just for doing so. Now, let's dive in. To get started, for years, Alex was skeptical about making money online. He'd spent countless hours watching videos and reading articles about people making money online, but it all seemed too good to be true. He had tried dabbling in affiliate marketing, launching a blog, even selling products on eBay, but nothing seemed to stick. Every time something didn't work out, it felt like more proof that making a real income online was just a fantasy, a thing for other people, not him. Even though Alex had a steady 9-to-5 job and wasn't miserable, he wasn't exactly thrilled either. He often found himself daydreaming about more freedom, more time for his family, and the ability to work from anywhere. But deep down, there was always this nagging voice. It's not for you. You're just not cut out for it. But deep down, Alex always knew he was destined for something more. There was a voice inside him that, despite the years of doubt, refused to be silenced. He wanted more than the daily grind, more than the paycheck-to-paycheck life he had been living. He wanted freedom, the kind of freedom that only comes when you're in control of your own time and income. One day, while Alex was scrolling through his usual feed of ways to make money online, he stumbled upon a video titled, "The AI Employee." The title intrigued him. He had never heard of an AI employee before. Curiosity got the better of him, and he clicked. The video opened with a guy explaining how AI wasn't just for tech giants like Google or Amazon. Regular people without any coding skills were now using AI to automate tasks and run entire businesses with minimal effort. The idea was simple. Instead of hiring real employees, you could use an AI assistant to handle customer interactions, manage appointments, and follow up on leads. Basically, the kind of tasks that small business owners often struggle to keep up with. This AI employee could work 24/7, never needed a break, and cost far less than a human employee. As Alex watched, something clicked. This wasn't about trying to learn complex programming or investing in expensive tools. It was about leveraging technology that was already built, technology that could do the heavy lifting for him. And the best part, he could rebrand this AI and sell it as his own service to local businesses. Within a few days, Alex had set up his first AI employee for a local dog grooming business. He simply copied the business's details into the system, set up the AI bot to respond to customer inquiries, and let it run. At first, he was nervous. What if it didn't work? What if the business didn't see value? But then, the results started coming in. Within a week, the AI had booked over 20 appointments for the business, appointments that would have otherwise been missed. The owner was thrilled. They couldn't believe how seamless it was and how much time it saved. More importantly, They were ready to pay Alex $500 a month to keep the service running. That first win gave Alex the confidence he needed. He quickly set up more AI employees for other local businesses: a chiropractor, a pizza shop, a personal trainer. Each business saw an immediate impact, and each one gladly paid Alex a monthly fee for something he had set up in just a few hours. The best part? The work was mostly done. Once the AI was set up, it ran on autopilot, handling everything while Alex focused on bringing in more clients for the first time. Alex wasn't trading his time for money. He was building something that worked for him, something that generated income even when he wasn't actively working. Within a few months, Alex had built a business that was bringing in thousands of dollars every month, all powered by AI. The doubts that had haunted him for years were gone, replaced by the satisfaction of knowing that he had finally found his path. He wasn't just making money online. He was creating a sustainable, automated business that gave him the freedom he had always craved. Alex knew this was only the beginning. The possibilities were endless, and now, instead of doubting himself, he was thinking bigger. What more could he automate? How many more businesses could he help with this AI employee? He wasn't just riding the wave of the AI revolution. He was shaping his own future with it. And it all started with one decision: to stop doubting and take action. The rest, as they say, was history. Now, it's your turn. If you've been doubting yourself or waiting for the perfect moment, this is it. You don't need special skills or a tech background, just the willingness to take action. Head to the link below this video to get started with your own AI-powered business. You'll get access to a free trial, live boot camps, and all the tools you need to hit the ground running. The opportunity is here, so don't wait. Start today.